Hey everyone! Today we're going to paint a fast and pretty simple princess mask. Let's get started. So here I'm using Superstar Yellow on a Micam teardrop sponge. I'm going over her eyes and attaching that bridge of the nose. Here I'm spritzing iridescent glitter. And now I'll be using Diamond Effects Ruby Red. It's a really gorgeous rose shade. And I'm actually using it on the opposite side of my sponge. So here I'm creating the centerpiece, and I know I want it to be a round shape. So I create that round shape, and then I go around her eyebrows to attach that mask. I'm flipping my sponge around and using the yellow to blend it into the ruby red so we get an ombre effect. I love these two colors together. Here I've loaded my Lowell Cornell round number 4, I believe, with Diamond Effects White. I'm going around her eyes to create that mask look. Now I'll be using a series of teardrops and swirls to create the mask. Now we'll work on the centerpiece. So here I'm just creating a simple design, but I usually like to add gem clusters or gems or any kind of glitter. Here in the centerpiece, normally, like say you have a birthday girl. So here I've outlined the outside of my line work to give it that really great double lined effect. I'll be using dots to give embellishment, and of course we want to give attention to that center of the piece. Here under the eyes, I'll be using teardrops, and we're going to wrap the whole mask together. Now, if you've got a particularly wiggly child, or younger, like say a toddler, because they love these masks, you can always use dots instead of teardrops, and it'll still look just as stunning. My teenager was nice enough to allow me to put lipstick on her. She normally doesn't like this step, but I'm pretty happy she allowed me to do that. So I did use the ruby red, and I added iridescent glitter. Voila! I love this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. And remember that all the products you see in these tutorials and videos, you can find at vasepaintforumshop.com.